how to set page as home page in Wix Studio. So as of right now, we're currently into our home page. So our home is actually the home page right there. If you want to change that, you can head over right here to this icon, the third icon on your left sidebar, because this is the pages icon. Click on it and you can see in here all of the pages that you have. So this icon right here indicates that this page is the home page. So for example, let's select our product page as our home page. Click onto these three dots, click onto these settings, and then it should be able to open this. Under that, you can see the page info, how it will behave, what is this product page. You can also go over right here into the permissions in order to change the permissions for that. Now, for this case, you can edit it according to your liking as well. So do take note that this is just a template page. And if you want, you can head over and then just choose other pages. And as you can see, they have different settings. So you can click onto that other pages because not all pages can be designated as home page. As you can see right here, star pages are not acceptable to that, but blog pages can do. So just choose the page and click onto the set icon right here in order to make this the home page. So that's how you set page as home page in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.